is tanking the bed, and I think it's going to come all the way down on the RSI and the advanced stochastic RSI as well, which is looking kind of bleak. I'm not going to lie, it's not looking good whatsoever. If it can hold above this level here though, and have a higher high, then we might see some upside. However, it does not look like it at the moment. Bitcoin still holding the 76k region firmly. I've also bought some Omikami because I did not want Ethereum to take off without me having Omikami because the risk to reward is too great. I can't allow that to happen personally, so I had to buy. Ethereum still pumping 2900. It was from 2400, bro. I had a 20x leverage trade on from 2500. I should have kept that on. That's annoying as heck. We live and we learn. So if we actually have a little look here at the next one, which is Ryujin. If we have a little look at Ryujin, I think I bought some of this at 11 million market cap as well. So I am a little bit exposed to the market. I've also got a little bit of redo because I think this is going to be the biggest one on the Tom blockchain. It did have a nicey juicy pump, but I don't think it broke that high. That's the only issue. So we need to see a little higher high, pull back, and then we can roll from there. Are the Kaspa meme coins moving? They must be not be doing well today, because Kaspa's tanking. Kango's doing alright. Conan's doing okay. Nacho's tanking, correcting. Kaspa's correcting. I did get Kaspa at a good price though. And that is fine. Altcoins must be getting smashed today. 39. Oh, that's after yesterday, isn't it? Because a lot of them pumped. So what are we seeing here? We're going to see them top out and then roll over. Or we can actually see further upside because Bitcoin looks like it's not going to stop. We're still in greed. We might correct back a little bit with a few K correction on Bitcoin, maybe like to 70k, 69k, something like that. Hopefully, then we go into fear or neutral and then we can push up a little bit further. Because I think the liquidations will definitely be on the long hand side. Let's be real, bro. Definitely more long than short. People are actually wanting to go short though, but there's a lot more long. Ooh, I like the way they've changed this. Looks clean. A lot more longs though. Then if we have a little look at the bookmarks, I'm going to start off with myself accumulating cash at these levels like I'm Coinbase. I ain't playing around. This hasn't even got one tier 1 exchange listing and I sold at 17 cents. Time for more. Because the thing is, if Coinbase are buying and this is rigged, it's getting fudded because Coinbase and all the exchanges want to rock up and load up on the Casper. It's a perfect buying opportunity because you're going to buy the bottom. Laffy's actually saying some stuff today as well. If we have a little look here, audio recording in which the bottom entry was explicitly indicated before the launch that occurred. Listen to the recording again and enjoy it as it becomes a reality, and we are still at the beginning. So we're going to go much higher, Laffy's thinking. Wyckoff reaccumulation has played out. Now we move on to the distribution. So he's thinking we're going higher as well. Congrats to those who traded with me. It's looking a bit too bullish at the moment. However, in a bull market, it's going to look very bullish. Every bull market is followed by a crash. It's not an accident, it's a cycle, one that profits from your losses. The plan for the next months is clear. Dips are for buying. That's why I'm buying Kaspa, man. Holy Kaspa, bro. This is it, man. This is it. Hopefully we take off. Bro, you better be calling Luke Belmar because I don't get what is happening with that Dolan chart, bro. Let's have a little look at Dolan. Because Dolan can't be looking good. I don't think it's corrected properly, though. Like a proper meme coin. Usually it's 80-90%. Even the top ones. Even the top meme coins correct a lot, man. That's holding up nice. It's got to go down even further, I believe. Laffy's got another little loaded tweet for us. Ether breaks 2800 resistance strongly. There is purchasing power in currencies and the future is better, God willing. Whoever has currencies, continue with them no matter your situation or enterprise. Whoever has cash, collect it and enter the current areas and hold on to your currencies. He's actually saying to buy. He hasn't said that for a long, long time. The most behavior that wastes profits and burns the wallet and nerves is moving between currencies due to impatience or chasing green candles. Do not chase the green candles. Bitcoin's getting ready to play ball. Look, gold versus Bitcoin. Gold flew. Now it's time for Bitcoin to move. Some people look at this and say 44k is next. It doesn't look like it, man. It does not look like it, because even when it's going to break down, it's slowly going to break down. It's not just going to, unless it's a black swan event. Bitcoin probable path. Look at the difference between these tweets. This guy thinking it's going to go down to like 60 summit, 68. She thinks it's going up. Stock market crashes are planned. They crash it, buy it cheap, and you're left wondering what happened. Literally, hedge funds, yeah? These guys have been rich all their life. They've got pots of money, and they manipulate the price of the chart and don't even allow you to buy at certain points in time. So Coinbase will go down, and they'll buy when it's cheap, and then you won't be able to sell. Then they'll hold your funds. So you need to make sure that you hold your funds on a decentralized wallet that's yours. Even then, you can still get scammed. So make sure you're not clicking on wrong links. You need to be safe out here, man. Every man for themselves. It's going to be the most scammers you ever see in these markets now, especially when Bitcoin's crossing all-time high. The market always seems fine until it's not. By the time you realize that your wealth is gone. Flipping heck, that guy speaks some facts, man. I need to download these and stick this as my wallpaper. Breaking China announced 1.4 trillion debt bailout and is working on more measures to boost the economy. 8 billion people, but only 20 million Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the first and only asset whose supply is guaranteed and unchangeable by demand. This guy also mentioned Kaspa, in one of his videos. I think Kaspa is also the second one. Proof of work, not a proof of stake. 4.4 billion worth of Bitcoin and Ethereum options are set to expire today. Expect high volatility. I don't even know what options are. I need to figure that out at some point. That's why this stop loss is the worst crash in decades about to hit. Stock and real estate will be decimated, leaving a trail of financial ruin. Crypto rotations explained. Currently in phase 1, Bitcoin. Flow of money moves into Bitcoin, causing price surges. We could also not experience an altcoin season, but it's looking more likely with Ethereum going up, Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin. We could be onto that. Then the large caps move, then alt season. Holy, that's what we need, bruh. That's what we need, bruh. See you at 50k. Some people are way too confident. Time to buy is over. Let me explain. Market entry in easy up phase only again, similar to end of 2024 and beginning 2025. It means that the time to buy is now over. What? Yes, the time to buy is now over, and slowly coming year we'll enter the probably euphoric phase to sell. The time to buy BTC was below 20k. If you missed the run up to 70k, time to buy again was last 8 months. Consolidation between 50 and 70k. Buying now is still, of course, okay, but know that you were late already in the cycle. It's the simple truth. BTC did a 5x from the bottom. In my opinion, we will not see another 5x this cycle. Maybe it can happen if countries start building strategic reserves, and some blow off peak might always happen, but the largest multipliers are done, in my opinion. Ignore all the banana prediction clowns. That's fact. They're always wrong and scream the hardest in bull times and cry the hardest in bear times. Yes, alts still have a lot of catching up to do, but also things like Sol are 20 times from the bottom, so another 20x will not happen. Small alts can still do that, of course, but again, you should have loaded your bags before. In my humble opinion, this is time to sit back and wait and let the patience of having accumulated below all-time highs pay off. New beginner, just buy and hold and sell in a couple of months. Trader, this is the time to hit it hard, long any dips, but keep risk management strong. Stay grounded and don't go crazy. Keep your rhythm. Long-term holders, sit back and enjoy. That's facts. Hard facts. Bar for bar. Holy, he didn't miss. He did not miss in that tweet. Are you prepared for the potential scenario? I'm not saying it's going to happen, but you are ignorant if you're taking it out of the accounting possibilities. A lot of people feel FOMO here. I saw people long in a breakout which didn't even close a daily candle above. Yeah, I think it might go down. Up, down, bang. That'd be crazy if that happened. BTC is thinking we're going to chop as well. Thinking we're going to go down. Stop copying and coping and buy memes. Fact. Anyone notice the moon tonight? He thinks it's going to happen with Omikami. Omikami go crazy. So bullish it hurts. BTC 2024 high is in. I don't know about that, mate. Happy birthday, Kaspa community. There's so much to celebrate. Incredible tech innovation, new developers contributing, ambassadors representing around the globe, new foundations supporting events, tech and application growth, new exchange wallet integrations, more followers and fans joining the community, more merchants accepting Kaspa. Kaspa's doing well, man. Bro, it's a proper product, man. That's what you like to see. It's actually got utility. Say I do to Omikami, the future of innovation has promised today, a future full of possibilities intertwined with unparalleled innovation, a bond with groundbreaking technology and limitless potential. Holy, Omikami's gonna go crazy. Majority of bullish moves in crypto happen in very short periods of times. It's why many get sidelined or end up buying tops. When it moves, it's usually a 6 week period. It's still early, but won't be in a few weeks. Yeah, it's going to move quick. It's going to move fast within a couple of months, 3 months max. Then it's all over. For the first time in 2 years, I've had normies text me about crypto. It's happening. Just thinking out loud, I'm expecting ETH to start gaining lost ground on BTC, partly driven by the risk-taking cycle, but also driven by the election. You see now that regulation is likely to dramatically improve for crypto, allows two potential developments. Utility tokens in DeFi to begin to offer yield or reward of underlying protocol which creates network value. Most of this is on Ethereum. Okay, so yield. TradeFi will likely begin to build larger use cases, but on the most tested adopted chain. Think of ETH and the layer 2s as the Microsoft of Web3. No one's getting fired for using it. Those two elements alone can dramatically re-rate Ethereum and offset the current retail adoption of other chains, and Ethereum yields will attract more institutions. Yields allow other financial products to be built, such as guaranteed funds. With better regs, this activity will explode. My view is that ETH begins to outpace BTC for the rest of the cycle, but underperforms Sol, and Sol underperforms Sui, as Sui is the ultimate performance stage of adoption, early overproven. I don't like Sui though, man. It's absolute dog. Not the fundamentals. It's just a blockchain, but the tokenomics are absolute garbage. You can still make people money, but I don't want to go near it. Keep that well away from me. 6 weeks seems to be the length of the cycle for the explosive moves. We might see it. That happened faster than I was expecting. Basically, with Coinbase, it's going up in the App Store already, which isn't good. It's already at like 11 and like 110. That's not good at all. Omikami, which meme coin is right here? Omikami, bruv. That's what's right there. Omikami fitna fly. Omikami fitna fly. It's gonna fly, bro. If we get that Ethereum taken off, Omikami is gonna fly. Mark my words. That's why I wasn't risking it. That's why I've bought. No matter how hard life gets, just remember that there's always a way out while you have a breath in life. We live in a tough world, hyperinflated government currency. The cost of everything is outrageous. Living paycheck to paycheck as a wage slave is not the solution. The only way to break free from the matrix is to grow your money in a volatile market. To be honest, if you use that paycheck to buy Omikami, you might not be too bad. Memes are popular. I've experienced financial freedom in the asset class. People are willing to risk their debased currency in a meme for a chance to break free from the chains of poverty. That's mental. The caveat is that you must choose the right meme at the right time. The majority will lose money because they chose the wrong thing or bought at the wrong time. Omikami is a chosen horse, founded by Ryushi Research, the genius dev behind Shiba. 64 billion is programmed. That's cold. Cold, bro. Cold, my brother. Historic lesson. In 35 days, Shiba rocketed from 21 million to 22 billion. The current market cap of Omikami is 22 million. It's time to flip Sheeb and Doge. It's time, bro. It's actually time. Don't fumble your bag of wealth. I speak from experience. Soon Omikami will unleash his power. It's coming, bro. What if Omikami do it in less than 30 days? Millions of people will buy cult meme coins. And I think that may be Omikami, man. It's just the best risk to reward. Look at the potential upside. It's crazy. Bitcoin breaking out of a 7-month range. Ethereum breaking out of an ascending triangle bottom. Either bullish or you're wrong. At this point, we're bullish until proven wrong. Follow these 4 and turn on notifications. Facts. That's all you need. ETH just broke 2900. Bro, we're there. We're actually there. Bitcoin going higher than Snoop Dogg. Snoop Dogg. Bro, get them bags ready. Get that cash ready right now. When it pulls back, have a stop loss so don't go below here. And we're going, bro. We going.